Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vivi. If you're new here, I am a full-time fashion seller, a lifestyle blogger, stay-at-home mom, the list goes on. Today I have a haul video for you guys, and these are some items that I pick up from Goodwill Salvation Army. Winter into spring pieces. If you're new here and you like content like this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and you can also DM me. I am FancynChic on all platforms. So find great stuff in my area, but whatever I can find, I'm excited, to share. Got one boots when I went sourcing, so I'm gonna share that, and I think I got one bag also, and then the rest is clothing. So first, how cute are these boots? They have the faux fur detail, and it has like a patchwork going on. I really like this boot. It's so cute. It's not my size. Is an 8 medium. It's B Makoski. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It has a zip. I always like boots with zip on the side. I can never do like the pull on. It's just not my style. And this is really like in like new condition. They've probably been worn like once or twice. I mean, you can tell from the bottom it's not really that worn, and it still had the boot shipper inside, and the inside is pretty much clean. I don't have to do so. Now I decided to pick up things that I don't have to clean, because it's too much of a hassle. It's just like texting or clean up stuff, and it's just sit in the death pile. I'm not doing that anymore. 2020 goal is to pick up things that are like in like new condition, where I don't have to do any kind of work unless it worth a whole lot more. I don't mind doing that. But anything that I can like pick up, photograph, and list, I'm going to go for it. So yeah, I haven't really looked up comes yet for this, but I know B Makoski is a nice brand. I'm gonna give that a try. This is my first time I'm finding that brand, so I'm gonna give it a try to see how it does in my closet. So yeah, I really like this boot. It's a size 8. That was the only boots item that I pick up, and I also pick up something that is really cute. I think this will work really well for me on weekends. How it says hello weekend, just a little weekend tote. It will be great for flat lays also. I can't wait to post do a flat lay and post this. But this I'm gonna keep for myself. It has a Velcro snap right there, and then the button, and then the inside is just plain. But I really like it. It's lightweight. I can put my I can put magazines in there and put it in my office. Let's get into the clothing. So I have a couple of Zara things. This skirt, I really like the color. It has a slit in the front and elastic waist. Here's the back, and I really do like the color. It's a size large. It's new with tags, and it's in great condition. And this can go with a nude top or black or white. I mean, some nice graphic and a leather jacket on top, or denim jacket for the spring. I haven't looked up comes yet, so I don't know how much I'm going to be listing it for, but I'm going to try to list most of these items on the lower end so it can sell pretty quickly. Next is this Zara pants. It's wide leg, elastic width. It has a lot of stretch to it. I really love the print, the color, and the wide leg style. It's a size small. It's also new with tag, and yeah, I think wide legs is still trending right now, and I think it's a high-waisted fit. I think this goes all the way up. Next, I have this nice workwear pins. I really like the detail on the pockets. At first I thought it was a full pocket, but you can take that out and it's actual pockets. And also the size is a size 6. Tablets is the brand. It's very well made. What caught my eye was the details on the pocket. Next we have this Zara leopard print. I don't know if it's leopard print or cheetah, but it's beautiful. It's a size medium. It's also This is not new with tag, but this does not look worn at all, so it might be new without tag. Doesn't have a pocket in the front. It's fake pockets in the back. It has some stretch to it. And yeah. And this also goes with my sweater. Oh my god, how do you guys like this chunky knit sweater that I got from Forever 21? It was 50% off. I think it was, the original price was $17.99, so it's 50% off. Yeah. I really like it. It's my go-to sweater. But yeah, so I have this white Zara pants. And it's pretty long at the end. The leg is pretty wide. And it's a size small. It's new with tags. Spring is around the corner, so I decided to pick up some white pieces. Although you'll see white in my closet all year round. But yeah, I like the Zara white pants. It goes with chunky knit sweaters. Next I have this, what is it, bar 3. Size small, and it's like a rust color satin style dress. These are just bold on the side of it. It doesn't really function with the waist, but it's still like the elastic waist style, and it's a really nice maxi, and they flare out at the bottom. So I'm noticing a flaw on this. When I pick it up, I thought I'd look at it really good. But it's probably something that can come off. When I put it in the wash, I'll see. And next I have this nice, chunky, is it turtleneck or cow neck? So here's the brand. I'm not going to pronounce that. And with this sweater, I like how chunky it is. It's a size small. And I really like the details in the front, the faux fur details on the pockets in the front, and the chunky style. And the color is beige, oatmeal kind of beige color, and it's in excellent condition. Next I have this Erie sweater. It's a size small. It's lightweight. This is perfect for the spring or even the winter. You could layer up. It's so soft, this chunky style, and the color also, the oatmeal beige color. Really like this oversized look. And OMG, I think I found the perfect pink coat. I've never heard of this brand. It's my first time. Cupcakes and Cashmere. And this coat is so pretty. It's very soft. It's a size medium, but it looks a little oversized. And it's in like new condition. So check out my closet if you're interested. It has a double-breasted style, and it's so soft. It will be perfect for spring, Easter. Like seriously, this is really, really cute. So Cupcakes and Cashmere. I haven't heard of this brand. I can't wait to look up comes to see how much it's selling for. And this color is really, really pretty. I don't know if the camera is doing this and justice, but this is really, really pretty. So I can't wait to list this. Next I have another Zara. I was looking at this online on Poshmark to purchase for myself. And then when I walk into the thrift store, good thing I like to take my time when I want to purchase something over Poshmark. I will go into the thrift store to see if I can find anything like that for myself first. If I don't see it, then I'm more likely to go and look into my likes and purchase those items. But yeah, as soon as I walk into Salvation Army, I saw this hanging there. I was like, oh, this is the dress I almost purchased off of Poshmark. So it's this Zara cream colored double-breasted dress, blazer style dress. It's new with tag, and I try it on, but it doesn't look right on me. I'm glad I didn't buy it. So I'm going to be listing this into my closet. Yeah, so it'll be perfect for spring as well. So next I'll pick up this beautiful Joggers Pants. And I don't think I've sold this brand before. Chico's, is that how you pronounce it? Ultimate fit. It's a 00, but it looks like it could fit a size small or extra small. Looking at the waistline, and this is really beautiful. It's like a champagne color. It's the velvet style in the back, and then it's like sequins in the front. And this is also new with tags, so I'm excited to find this and see how it does in my closet. I have this beautiful pajama set. I'm gonna put a picture up here of the one that I wore during my birthday last year, and oh my god, everybody loved that photo. That photo did well on my Instagram, so I'm gonna post that right up here. So I picked this up because I also saw another Victoria's Secret pajama set. It was like a satin, 100% satin, I think, style or silk, something like that, and it sold really quickly, so I thought I should pick up this set, being that it's pink and white. And since that photo that I posted received a lot of likes and comments, I thought I should do this. I thought I should pick this up. I know somebody out there is gonna want to buy it. So it's a size small. The set is in like new condition. I can't wait to put it through the wash, steam it, and do a flat lay and post it and see who's going to be interested. So yeah, so I'm going to sell it as a set, and it's really, really cute. I wanted to keep it for myself, but I have a pink set already, so I don't need to keep this. I'm going to list it. Pick up this sweater. So beautiful. I don't know what brand it is, but I wasn't focused on brand. I was focused on the style. I like the puff sleeve style and the pom-pom detail this sweater has. So soft and beautiful. The red is a size small. I haven't heard of this brand before, but I pick it up based on style, and I can't wait to list it. Next is this beautiful J. Crew. I think this is like the newer label. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comment. Newer label J. Crew sweater is pretty on the heavy side and so soft, and I like the detail. I like the color scheme. I'm all about neutrals and minimalist color style. But yeah, I really like this. This is so soft. It's like it hasn't been worn, and oh, it's a size large. And yeah, so, and lastly, I have this beautiful tweed jacket. It says Neiman Marcus exclusive, and it's a size 10, but it don't look like it's a size 10. It looks like it runs small, so this could probably fit a size small or a medium, maybe even a large. But yeah, so I'm gonna be listing this. It's in excellent condition. I made sure to look this over and over because I pay up for this, and I can't wait to list it. The color is so beautiful. Or anybody who's obsessed with pink like myself. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and also hit the bell so whenever I upload videos, you can be the first to watch it. And thank you guys for putting up with me and watching my videos and all the engagement, all the new subscribers. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys soon.